So we're at the Griffin in Caversham. There's a party going on next door where they've been firing off some very big, powerful fireworks. I'm going to suggest that these fireworks are possibly not designed to be used in such. Well, there we go. Whoa! Okay, you might not have noticed, but some fireworks just went off, which is exactly what I was talking about. Because when these fireworks go off, we are having rained on us bits of cardboard, as Gemma is ably demonstrating.
And these little bits of ash as well.
Yes, a little bit. I noticed whilst those last few fireworks were going off, ash was hit me on the hand and what have you as I was filming that. Health and safety, people.